darling, I remember the night you looked at me, and in my dreams it's December, and love is evergreen. And it's such a joyful sound. We're all together now.
In local news, a long-term care center for veterans is creating extra cheer in an effort to draw attention to a community they say is often forgotten about around the holidays.
We know this time of year can be tough for a lot of people, especially the elderly, in particular over the last couple of years with the way things have gone with the COVID pandemic. So it's our hope that we can spread some joy and bring some happiness to a community that might be underserviced this time of year.
I'll be dreaming of a place I once called home. Now here I am, searching for
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
The care center was lit up with 25,000 lights to symbolize the power of connection, with a goal to help draw support for the center and their fundraising efforts going towards their rebuild.
Now I'm leaving, got my things back by the door. Here I go. By the time you count to 4, I'll be dreaming of a place I once called home. Now here I am, searching more.
Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. This means so much to us. What a tremendous